But when you do who you are in your heart of hearts, and the universe knows, and you open yourself up to the universe and you make that vision, you cast that vision forth. I'm telling you, the alchemy of envisioning who and what you are and being it, not saying that I want to be that, but saying that I am that. A lot of people make the mistake and do not understand how mind power and mind alchemy works. Mind alchemy works outside of time. If you trap mind alchemy in time, then you go through a process that keeps you almost feeling frustrated that you're not arriving at that vision. Knowing the vision and then living the vision and being in the isness of being, not in the was, not in the will be, but in the isness of being. It is when you speak of the thing that you wish to see happen as it is happening now and you are in it now, then you do not project yourself into a future. Now know this, that if I am in point zero and I say I want to be over there, then if you say I want to be that, then know that if you are not knowing that you are already that the point where you are and the point where you think you need to be creates distance, and distance creates time. So giving you the secret to alchemy, the alchemy is that if I say I want to be something, it means that you have set your own time traps for yourself. If you do not claim that you are that now and act it, be it, obsess it, and know it, then the universe will not give you what it is that you think you want later on. The universe is responding to your mind. All is mind. All my students know that the first thing they study when they come here is that all is mind. And that any time you use your mind to do things in the third density, that you are actually projecting from fourth and fifth density. And that third density is where you get trapped in time. So your thinking process has to change. You look at time as yesterday, today, and tomorrow. That's why you have caused the universe to act that way for you. But if you do not live in the moment that you wish to be, if that moment is not now, then it will never be. Or it takes so much time, it frustrates you, and you feel that I want to be that, I'm going to be that, I wish I could be that. No, you have to be it, or the universe does not respond.